Yes, hello, good evening, Mr. Muhammad Ikhwan. How are you?
Good evening, sir. Fine. I'm
Yes,
fine, sir.
yeah, welcome to the class. Yeah, Mr. Muhammad Ikhwan. Yeah, nice to see you in
Okay,
the class. Yeah, Mr.
thank you,
Muhammad
sir.
Ikhwan. Yes.
I am a newcomer
Okay, no
in this group.
problem. Yes. And also Mr. Firman in Medan. Hello, Mr. Firman. How are you? Yeah, so for this evening, Mr. Muhammad Ikhwan, you join with some participant actually. Yeah, they will join. Yeah,
Okay,
and you
sir.
join with Mr. Firman in Medan.
Mr. Firman, Medan. Wow,
Yes.
it's long far from my
Yeah,
place.
it's far away. Yeah, in Western Indonesia. Yeah, and you in
Yeah,
the in the center of Indonesia, in the middle. Yeah, middle
in
of
the middle,
Indonesia.
Sulawesi.
Yes, in Sulawesi. Okay, while
Yeah.
we are waiting other participants, Mr. Ikhwan, so
Okay.
we will discuss about this this evening. Can you see my screen sharing, Mr. Ikhwan? Can you see it?
Oh yes, yes. I have seen.
Yes. Yeah, this is okay. So okay, and also Mr. Fadli Awaluddin. Okay. Okay, Mr. Ikhwan, please read the title, please, Mr. Ikhwan. Majority
Uh,
disease. Yes, you can please read
wait.
the title.
Okay. Majority of students want to return to school in January. KPI survey.
Yes. Yeah, majority of students want to return to school in January. Yes.
Return.
KPAI
AI.
survey. Yes, that's
AI
correct.
survey.
Yeah, for this evening,
Commission.
Mr. Ikhwan, you also join with Mr. Fadli Awaluddin in Tangerang, in Jakarta. Hello, Mr.
Okay.
Fadli, how are you?
Yeah, hello, Mr. Bukhari and Mr. Ikhwan.
Yes.
I was I was happy to join this.
Yeah, welcome to the class, Mr. Fadli. Yeah, Mr. Ikhwan from Mujamuju,
West
from
Ma-
Sulawesi. Yeah,
West Sulawesi.
yeah, West Sulawesi. Yeah,
Yeah,
it's far
Mamuju,
away,
Mamuju.
Mr. Fadli. Yeah, you are in Jakarta and Mr. Ikhwan in Sulawesi. Okay,
Yes.
Wow,
so
yeah, very far.
yes. Okay, so for this evening, yeah, actually we will discuss about this, Mr. Fadli. Yeah, this is also good topics to discuss. And this is trending on today, 29 December, December 29 at 14
29.
to 3 p.m. Yeah, 14 to 3 p.m.
14 to
Okay,
3 p.m.
Mr. Ikhwan, actually, do you understand what is the title meaning? This is,
Yes.
yeah,
The meaning is the uh,
yes,
most student want to school again. Come
yes,
in.
yeah, wants to return to school in January, yeah, by
Yes.
next year, January next year. And this
Yeah, next
is
year.
the simulation. Yeah, the simulation. Student join a simulation for future in classroom learning, which is set to
Yeah.
start in January 2021. Yeah, at
Yeah.
STM Karangraharja 2 State Elementary School in Cikarang, Bekasi, Regency. Yeah, this is, you can see, this
Yeah.
is the simulations. Yeah,
Simulation. Yeah.
for yes, face-to-face learning by next year. Okay.
Yes.
So, Mr. Firman, hello, Mr. Firman, how are you, Mr. Firman? Welcome to the class, Mr. Firman. Yeah, Mr. Firman from Medan. Okay. Mr. Fadli, can you please read the first paragraph, Mr. Fadli?
Sure,
Yes.
Mr. Bukhari.
Yeah,
Okay,
this
I
is.
will start.
Yeah.
Government has allowed school to reopen in January. Child Protection Commission or KPAI in bahasa conduct a survey to learn about the students' point of the view on the plan.
Yes. Okay. So, actually, do you understand what is the purpose, Mr. Fadli, of this paragraph?
The first paragraph tell us about um the what's the name the
Minister, the government.
kebijakan in English.
Yes. Okay. Please.
Policy from KPAI to reopen the school in January 20. That's all.
Yes. Okay. Yeah, I will say greetings to Mr. Firman in Medan. Hello, Mr. Firman. How are you? Yeah. You can open your speaker, Mr. Firman. Yeah. You still mute your speaker. Yeah. Okay. Actually, Mr. Firman still, yeah, the first actually. So, okay. So, hello, Mr. Firman.
Yeah, hello, sir.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
actually,
You heard me?
yeah, you already open your speaker, Mr. Firman. Yes, hello, Mr. Firman. How are you?
I'm fine, sir. Thank you.
Okay. So, I will ask to Mr. Ikhwan at first. Mr.
Okay.
Ikhwan, sorry, actually, do you understand about the first paragraph meaning, Mr. Ikhwan?
The first paragraph meaning in
Yes.
Indonesia.
Yeah, actually, in Indonesian, little bit. Okay, if
I,
you understood.
I translate. Ya,
Hmm.
bahwa as the government has allowed school to reopen, artinya sekolah dibuka kembali.
Hmm.
Ya,
In January.
the National Protection Commission (KPAI) conduct a
Yes.
survey, melakukan survei
Yes.
to learn about the student point of view on the plan.
Okay.
Untuk melihat, untuk mempelajari tentang rencana tersebut ya.
Yes. Okay.
Is that,
Excellent.
is that,
Yes. And this
is
is
that
what is the meaning? National Child Protection Commission. What is the meaning in Indonesian, Mr. Ikhwan?
Indonesia Komisi Perlindungan Anak Nasional.
Yes. Excellent. Komisi Perlindungan Anak Nasional.
Indonesia.
Yes.
Ya,
Excellent.
Indonesia.
Yeah. Okay. So, yeah, Mr. Firman, please read this paragraph, Mr. Firman. This is until this agreed. Okay, thank you, Mr. Ikhwan. You understood already. Yeah, Mr. Firman, please
Yes, sir.
read this paragraph.
Yeah. The survey, which was conducted earlier this month, involved 62,448 students. It discovered, oh, wait a minute. It's discovered that 78.17% of them agreed to resume classroom learning in January 2021, followed by 16.13% saying they felt unsure about the plan, and around 10% saying they disagreed.
Yes. Okay, so I think you understand, Mr. Firman. Do you understand about this paragraph, Mr. Firman?
Yes, I understand, sir.
Okay, so we continue. I think Mr. Fadli also understood, and Mr. Ikhwan. Yeah, so only 10 persons, yeah, saying they disagreed. Okay, so yeah, I will read this paragraph. Yeah, among those, yeah, who rejected the school reopening plan, 45% said they were afraid of contracting COVID-19. Okay. So among those who rejected the school reopening plan, yeah, 45%. Okay. So continue. I will check. Actually, Miss Ross here or not? Yes. Hello, Miss Ross. How are you? Good evening, Miss Ross.
Hello, good evening too.
Yeah, Miss Ross in Palembang. Sorry, Mr. Firman and also Mr. Ikhwan. Yeah, Miss Ross from Palembang. Yeah, one mainland with Mr. Firman. Mr. Firman from Medan. Okay, Miss Ross, please read this paragraph, Miss Ross. This is the survey. This is
The survey, which was initiated by KPAI Commissioner Retno Lisyarti, found that most respondents were bored with at-home learning and needed a different approach to studying.
yes. So, Miss Ross, actually, do you understand about this paragraph, Miss Ross?
Survei itu yang mana
In English.
diinisiasikan.
Okay, Miss
Oh,
Ross. Okay, please, that's good. Please stop first. I will ask to Mr. Ikhwan in, sorry, Sulawesi. Mr. Ikhwan,
Yeah,
actually, do you understand about this paragraph?
yes, I understand.
Okay, and Mr. Fadli, do you understand, Mr. Fadli?
Yes, I'm understood.
Okay, that's good. So I will ask to Mr. Firman. Mr. Firman, do you
Yes, sir.
understand about this paragraph?
Yes, I do, sir.
Okay, so we go ahead. Yeah, if you all understood, so we go ahead. Yeah, so yeah, I will continue. Yeah, this is Retno. Yeah, this is the, I think this is Retno Marsudi, the Minister of, sorry,
Foreign
yeah,
Affairs.
I'm sorry, the Minister of,
Foreign Affairs.
oh, sorry, Secretary.
Hmm.
Yeah, this is Ratno edit. Yeah, that some students said they found it's difficult to learn certain subject at home. Yes, most of students, yeah, they have difficulties when they learn at home. Actually, do you agree about this, Mr. Firman? Actually,
Yes,
Should know.
sir.
yes. Yeah, because long time, yeah, they already, yeah, learned at home, yeah, and until now, still going on. And how about you, Mr. Ikhwan? Actually, do you agree with this paragraph? Actually, that some
Yes,
students, yeah, yeah,
yeah, agree, but that a student have a difficult to learn certain object at home because the
yes,
student must face to face with their teacher.
yes,
I
that's
mean,
correct.
like math lesson. I think it's in we apa online is not so not maximal. I mean,
Yeah, it's not maximums. Yeah.
not yeah, maximum.
Okay. And how about you, Mr. Fadli? Can you tell us, Mr. Fadli, do you agree with this paragraph,
Yeah,
Mr.
yeah,
Firman?
because
Yeah.
now I'm a student, so I really situation kind of difficult for me, especially and I have also my brothers, my little brother. They also have kind of difficult to digest the lessons from their school. Especially from math, science, and anything that should be more intensive um, teachers like that.
Yes. Yeah, that's good. That's also good reason. Yeah, thank you, Mr. Fadli. Yes, they need more intensive learnings. Yeah, yeah.
More
I
intensive,
think
yeah.
like that. Yeah, and how about you, Miss Ross? How about you?
Yes, I agree because I think some students have difficulty learning. I mean, by online. I think they don't really understand when their teacher explains in online learning, and
Yes,
I think they also feel more.
yes. They also boring, and they also don't really understand. Yeah, that's also Mr. Fadli said. Yeah, that's especially for the science and mathematics. Yeah, it's difficult when they learn at home. Yeah, it's really difficult. Yeah, because the student only watching on the YouTubes, yeah, and then the teacher just given the questions like that. So it's really difficult. Okay, that's good. And this is already answer, and this is, yeah, 5 to 6% of the respondents had this problem, especially those in 6th grades, 9th grade, and 12th grades. Yes, said Retno in a statement as quoted by Kompas.com on Tuesday. Okay, Tuesday is today. Okay, I think this is still relying, yeah, with the paragraph. Hmm, okay, so hmm, okay, I need Mr. Ikhwan, yeah, to read this
Yeah,
paragraph, Mr. Ikhwan. Moreover, this is
moreover, the
moreover.
survey
Yeah.
also moreover the survey also found that among the respondents, 94.75% said their school had yet to host classroom learning. Their school had yet to host classroom learning,
Yes.
while 5.25% said the school had started a combination of at home and in class learning.
Okay. Yeah, while 5.25%, okay, said their school had started a combination of at home,
Combination
yes, and in class learning. Okay,
learning, yeah.
so continue. Yeah, this is good actually for discuss. Okay, among those who have participated in the blended learning models, 91% point 96%. Yeah, said their school had prepared hands washing facilities. Okay, while 8.04%, okay, said they had not seen any hand washing basins or sinks at their school. Hmm, okay, so we continue. Actually, the point is this actually. Yeah, the point. Last month, Education and Culture Minister Nadiem Makarim announced that the government will allow local administration, school and parents decide whether to resume on-campus activities, taking into consideration the risks of COVID-19 transmission. Okay, so actually, Mr. Fadli, actually, do you understand about this paragraph, Mr. Fadli, last month, Education and Culture Minister? This is Mr. Fadli.
Ah,
Yeah.
yes, yes. So, yeah, our minister
Yes.
Makarim have a policy that allow school to reopen
Yes.
the offline class. Yeah, like that. And some interesting fact Mr. Bohori.
Yes.
Also, my school is allowed to reopen next year. I mean 2021 to do offline class. Yeah, but we should hybrid system like blended. Some people can came and some people cannot go to school. Sort of the policy like that.
Okay. Okay. Yes. Yeah, this is actually still yeah little bit yeah actually yeah still being sorry something like arguments yeah or yeah arguments or sorry what's that called actually yeah like the new that's still being argumentations like that. Okay, so I will ask to Mr. Ikhwan in Sulawesi. Hello, Mr. Ikhwan. Actually, can you explain about this actually, Mr. Ikhwan, about this paragraph? Yeah, Mr. Ikhwan, you can open your speaker, please, Mr. Ikhwan. Yes,
Last month, Education and Culture Minister
yes,
Nadiem Makarim announced that the government would allow local administration.
yeah. Can you explain, menjelaskan, Mr.
The
Ikhwan? Yes,
government would lo- government would allow local administration allow local school and parent decide whether to resume. I think the meaning is the local local wisdom in the
yeah.
yes
Will allow local
the
administrations, ya, pemerintahan
ya lokal
setempat.
iya
Ya, local
pemerintah
administration the
setempat
meaning is pemerintahan setempat. Yes,
iya pemerintah setempat local administration
yes,
so there is taking into consideration the risk of COVID-19 transmission. The
yes,
meaning is in the apa ya the district where the green zone
yes.
yeah green zone it can be open the school like campus activity but in the red zone it I think is not allow not allow
Okay, so understood. So that's depend to the zone. Okay, this
yes
is yes, school and parents yeah decide whether to resume on campus activities. Yeah, resume is going back. Yeah, reopening. Okay, taking into consideration the risks of COVID-19 transmissions. Yeah, so that's depend to the zone. Yeah, because has
yes
the yellow zone, yeah, green zone, and red zone.
red zone yeah
Yes, okay. That's good. So I will ask to Mr. Firman in Medan. So Mr. Firman, what do you think about this actually, Mr. Firman?
sure sure time
There, sir. Hello, sir. Hello.
Yes.
Hello. Hello, sir.
Yeah, your voice
Pardon me, sir.
very actually really low, your voice, Mr. Firman. So I don't hear your voice. Okay.
Yes, pardon me, sir. Do you hear me?
Yeah, now it's better. Okay.
Oh, okay. Hello.
Yes, okay, okay, that's good. Okay, Mr. Firman. Okay, I can hear your voice
Yes, sir.
now. Okay. Okay, please continue, Mr. Firman. Yes.
Uh, you mean I read the next paragraph?
Yeah, this is this paragraph.
Oh,
Yes.
okay. Yes. I think that paragraph explained that in principle, the government let local administration to help study, but the local administration should consideration about the risk of pandemic COVID. Maybe the school can reopening which make the rule so tight. I think so tight to avoid the risk of COVID-19. I think.
Yes, that's good. That's good orientation. Okay, thank you, Mr. Firman. That's good orientation as well. Yeah, so I think you understood already. Yeah, and so we continue for the next paragraph. Yeah, this is still have two paragraph. Okay, so I need Miss Ross to read this paragraph, Miss Ross. Yeah. Hello, Miss Ross.
Yeah, hello.
Yes, please read this paragraph.
Okay, school reopening can be done immediately or in stage according to each region's capability and the decision of their regional heads. The schools
Yes.
wanting to reopen must fulfill a checklist of requirements for face-to-face teaching and healthy protocols, Nadine said on November 20.
Okay, November 20th, yes. Yeah, this is the school reopening can be done immediately or in stage. Yeah, in stage is step by step like that. According to its region's
Stage
capability. Yeah.
in
And the
step correct.
decision of their regional heads. Okay. The school wanting to reopen must fulfill a checklist of requirements. Oh, yeah. So that's correct, Mr. Ikhwan. That's they must have requirements. Yeah, that's they fulfill requirements or not like that. Yeah, for
Yeah.
face-to-face teaching and health protocol. Okay, Nadine said on November 20th. Okay, this is good, Mr. Ikhwan. That's and also Mr. Mr. Firman. Yeah, that's
Yes,
they
sir.
have the zone. Yeah, so if red zone, it will not be allowed. Yeah, okay, it will not be allowed for the reopening. Okay, uh, okay. So the last paragraph, I think you are understood already. Okay, so the last paragraph, Mr. Fadli, please read the last paragraph, Mr. Fadli. The policy. This is
Oh, sure.
yes,
So the policy is a major departure from the previous
yes,
opening policy set out in June, which allow only school in agreements to conduct face-to-face learning. The new policy allows schools to reopen.
yes. Okay, thank you, Mr. Fadli. Yeah, this is so. Do you understand, Mr. Fadli, about this, Mr.
Yeah,
Fadli?
yeah. It also aligned to paragraph before. It's also same purpose,
Yes, same purpose.
but we can see the yeah same purpose with the or yeah paragraph before. We can see like the second sentences, um the open or not open the school is depend on the zones. If the zone is safe to do face to yeah,
Yes,
well the government will allow that, but not
yes.
safe will prohibit the learning.
Yeah, this is same with also Mr. Ihwan said, yeah, that the red zone would not be allowed. Yeah, okay. Yeah, okay. This is, I think you understood. So we could do this. Yeah, we have questionnaires. Yeah, we have some question of this. So yeah, this is for participants. So I will ask the first question to Mr. Sorry, Mr. Ikhwan. Mr. Ikhwan, can you answer the first question? What do you think when all the schools start open by the early next year? Okay, is that good or not actually like that? Yeah. What do you think, Mr. Ikhwan? This is. Yeah. The first question, Mr. Ikhwan. Okay. You can open your speaker, please, Mr. Ikhwan.
Sorry.
Yeah.
I think it's bad policy because it can be increasing the spread of COVID-19. If
Okay.
if there is not apa conduct to divide it into zone, red, yellow zone, green zone, yellow zone, and red zone.
Yes.
Right?
Okay,
It's
that's your opinion.
high risk to increase spread of COVID.
Yeah, okay. That's good. That's your opinion. Okay, thank you, Mr. Ikhwan. So I will ask for the second question to Mr. Firman in Medan. Mr.
Yes,
Firman,
sir.
can you answer the second question? This is, are you agreeing when the school reopen by the early next year? Mr. Firman, are you agree?
Yes. Uh, I agree, but I think it depends on the zone status, I think. I mean, we know that school by virtual is not effectively. So I agreed actually if the schools reopen next year,
Okay.
but when the status zones or the area is still red zone, I think uh, to the hello.
Yes.
I
Yes,
think
that's good.
I think to the red zone is not allowed, but only in green zone or yellow zone. I think.
Okay, yeah, your answer that was good, Mr. Firman. That's also affirmed Mr. Ikhwan. Ya, menegaskan ya, affirmed Mr. Ikhwan statement. Okay, that's good. Okay, so I will ask to Miss Ross for the third question, number three. This is Miss Ross. Actually, what's probably impact when the school reopened when next year still have the outbreak of COVID-19? What's probably the impacts, Miss Ross?
Mm,
Okay, you can give the statement, Miss Ross. Yeah, this is probably. Okay, if you don't understand, I will ask to Mr. Fadli. Mr. Fadli, what is probably
Okay.
impact actually, Mr. Fadli? Yes.
Yeah. Probably like possibility, right?
Yes,
I
this is like a
mean, yeah.
possibility.
If we okay, so there are two kind of possibilities. Um, positive possibility or merit, negative possibility or demerit. So we can open the school, but next year outbreak of COVID, I think it depends on the zone, right? If we open the school at the red zone, it will danger, will make the spread of the virus become faster. If we open the school at the green zone or yellow zone, so I think it will be, yeah, it's okay. I mean, not any um, risk to the students. Yeah, so there are some probably depend on the situation or circumstance. on the places in Indonesia.
Yes. Okay, that's good. Thank you, Mr. Fadli. Yeah, Mr. Fadli said circumstance. Yeah, circumstances. Yeah, circumstance is the condition, Mr. Firman. Yeah, the conditions. Yeah, that depends to the zone. Yeah, to the green zone. Yeah, yellow zone. Yeah, that's still relines. Okay, that's good. Okay, so yeah, actually, you have homework, Mr. Fadli and Miss Ross and Mr. Firman. Sorry, then
Yes,
Mr.
sir.
Firman, then also Mr. Ikhwan. Yeah, the homework is this. Yeah, so tomorrow I will ask to you for the fourth question. What solution will be best actually? Yeah, so you can joining this answer and then what solution will be best. Yeah. So this is your homework, yeah, Mr. Ikhwan and Mr. Firman, Miss Ross and Mr. Fadli. Okay, you can write down on the paper. Yeah, so tomorrow I will ask to you one by one about this. Yeah, because this is you must have consideration actually. Yeah, from any news or media, something like that. Yeah, what solution will be best? Yeah, because this news still being like a debate something still. Sorry, what's name, Mr. Fadli? That something still being debate. What's name in English actually? I forget the names. Still being debate.
Conspiracy,
Controversies. Yeah, still being controversies.
controversial. Oh,
Yes,
I
that's
thought
correct.
conspiracy. Sorry.
Yeah, controversies. Yeah, yeah, Mr. Iwan. Okay, I think this learning is enough. Yeah, for this evening. So your homework is this, Miss Ross, then Mr. Iwan, and also Mr. Firman in Medan, yeah, Mr. Fadli as well. Yeah, this is your homework, Mr. Fadli. Yeah, what solution will be best? Yeah, from this. Okay, so tomorrow we will discuss again. Okay, thank you, Mr. Ikhwan in
Thank you.
Sulawesi. Yeah, because now almost 10 o'clock in Sulawesi. Yeah,
Yes,
okay, it's
that's right.
late night. Yeah. Okay, thank you for joining the class, Mr. Firman, this evening, and also Mr.
You're
Fadli.
welcome, sir.
Yes, and Miss Ross as well. Yes, see you again for the next class. Yeah.
So,
See
Okay,
you,
see you.
everyone.
good
Yes.
night.
Okay, good night.
Nice, nice to meet all of you.
Tomorrow,
Okay,
Mr.
yeah, see you
Fadli, Mr.
again.
Ikhwan, Mr. Firman. Have
Yes.
a
See
good
you
night.
next time, sir. Bye.
Yes, okay, bye.
Bye.
Bye.